Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to a PlayStation 5. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the PlayStation version of the Stealth 500 headset. The Xbox version won't work on PS5, so double check before you try connecting. Your headset comes with a small USB wireless transmitter. Grab that and plug it into one of the USB ports on your PS5. Once the transmitter is plugged in, turn on your headset. It should automatically start the pairing process. Make sure your headset has enough battery to complete the connection. A successful connection is usually indicated by a solid green light on the USB transmitter. Once it's solid green, your headset is paired and ready to use. If you don't hear audio right away, press the PS5's settings button. Go to sound, then audio output, and make sure your headset and microphone are selected for output. And that's all there is to it. Your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 is now connected to your PS5. Enjoy your games with great audio. Yeah, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.